She thought she could ignore the protection order, then police arrived.
June 7th, 2026, officers were called after a teen violated her order of protection after she knew she wasn't supposed to be at a certain house.
Okay, so you just violated the order, so you're under arrest. So turn around, put your hands behind your back. Okay, you're under arrest.
How about the car?
What's that?
How about the car?
Oh, we're gonna figure that out. Might be getting towed.
Can I talk to him?
I believe he's listed on the order, so you've already...
Well, come on, like, this is... I'm sorry, we just got started, but this is... I don't want my guitar. She said, what about the car? Why do captions if you gonna get it wrong right off the rip? Like, who's doing the captions, man? Just don't do captions at all. This right here, just... Come on, man. Y'all gotta, I don't know, man. Damn.
House.
Okay, so you just violated the order, so you're under arrest. So turn around, put your hands behind your back. Okay, you're under arrest.
How about the car?
What's that?
How about the car?
Oh, we're gonna figure that out. Might be getting towed.
Can I talk to him?
I believe he's listed on the order, so you've already violated that.
I mean, he's not who the order is against.
You know what's up? Okay. I'll work with you here. You've been cool. Okay, so I'll try to work with you. If he's listed, then you're not talking to him.
I mean, what?
If he's listed, you're not going to talk to him any further.
Okay. I don't think he's listening.
That's what I said. I'll work with you. I'm willing to read it a little further, but it says on there you can't be within 500 feet of the house. So obviously, if you walking up, we're giving 500
It's not
feet.
tight, right? That's good? Oh, good. Yeah. Alright, double lock, check for safety. Hold on a second.
Look at this. He said, hold on a second. And this said, what?
Hold on a second.
Pull out the safety. What? He said, hold on a second.
Alright, double lock, check for safety. Hold on a second.
Do you have any weapons on you? Do you have any contraband, anything like that, stuff anywhere?
He said contraband. They said, what? Do you have any tangeraband or any? Oh my God. Yo, fix your editor, man. What the hell? Yo, fix your editor, bruh. Fix your editor, bruh. Come on, man. Crime on BODYCAM. What's up with y'all? Let me see. Come on now. Y'all almost at 100,000. Y'all could, come on. I know y'all, come on. Y'all could afford it, man. Y'all could afford it. Get your editor, man. What the hell? Nobody ain't double checking this stuff?
Anything like that, stuff anywhere?
These are curtains are to skin for these.
Okay, hang on. 576 is Angel listed as a protected party. Time four here, we got one from now. 95. You kind of offense bother in my eyes.
Hello?
What?
I'm confused on why I can't talk to him.
You know what's okay, we're gonna get you in the car and we'll go from there. Leave your hand right there where it is. You can't be at the house, that's the problem. That's it. I'm just putting on some, you got the smallest hands I've ever seen here.
It's good.
Oh, yeah. Angel. Huh? Why are you doing anything?
Her wrists are tiny.
Put your cuffs back first. That's the issue, like I said. So So you're within 500 feet of the house.
So what's gonna happen to me?
You're going down to the DuPage County Jail. Okay, you're gonna get booked in. You're gonna see a judge tomorrow. Depending on your criminal history and stuff, they may release you tomorrow. They may not.
All right.
Okay.
Angel, call my mom, please. Angel, call my
Have you face phone in the
mom.
car? Okay.
Do you have any?
Angel, call her right now.
Cam on, please.
Angel.
I guess I should finally comment on the actual video, right? Instead of just the captions. Listen, she talking about call my mom, call my mom. Listen, that ain't gonna help, man. That ain't gonna help. That ain't gonna help, man. She know the deal. She know she's supposed to stay away, but she decided to ignore that and do her own thing, you know? She probably crazy in love. You know, they get the bickering and arguing or something maybe, and whatever the case may be, and you know, things go south. But like I said, they're gonna be back together, just like we did a video earlier where a lady and a guy were together and they were arguing over. They were trying to say, "Yeah, we called because the TV was out" or something like that, and come to find out, she's trespassed from there. She's not even supposed to be there. But you know, people get into their little arguments, get the police involved. So now you got paperwork involved, and there's certain stipulations, and now you got to follow these stipulations until the whole court proceeding is done. When really you shouldn't have did all of that because you really want to be with the person, and you're just gonna get back with the person anyways. Ay.
Nothing on you that's gonna poke them, nothing like that. No.
Tell her to answer.
Searching with the back of my hand.
Call her right now.
You just want your phone with you?
No, I think I have it.
You have your phone? Okay.
No, I
No,
don't
phone's in
have
the car. We're gonna grab it.
What is this? Right
my
here?
keys.
Your keys.
Man, you got them reaching in their pockets and stuff. What kind of pat frisk is this? So you're supposed to kick her feet out, you know what I mean? I get it. It's a woman, but still, you know, we gotta have some order here. She reaching in her pocket. What? Come on, man. Tighten up, man. Officer, tighten up, man.
All right.
Angel,
Go in the car.
are you calling her? Call her, text her, please. It's not even against him. I'm confused.
It's the house, okay?
Do I have to go to court for this?
Yes. What do you want to do with the car?
See, so that's what I'm saying. See, so it's not necessarily against him, right? Remember earlier I said, well, they're just going to get back together or whatever. It's against the people at the house or whatever. There was an incident at the house. But still, if you know this is your person that you want to be with or whatever, why would you go over to somebody's house or his house, because I'm sure it's his house, or his parents' house or whatever the case may be, because she's young, and go over there and cause a ruckus? I mean, when I was a young one, when I was young in my teens and dating girls and stuff like that, and I had to go over to, you know, my girlfriend's house or whatever the case may be and chill with their family, have dinner and everything like that. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, sir. No, sir. You know, you're not going over there arguing with the parents and everything. Like, even if you disagree with whatever it is that they saying, you just hold it in, you know, because that's their house. That's the girl that you want to be with, parents, or, you know, if it's a girl, you know, a girl going over to a guy's house, that's the persons that you want to be with, parents, you know what I mean? Like, you just be respectful. It shouldn't even be getting into any of this, and you gotta be trespassed and this and that or whatever. Man, come on, man. No home training.
I mean, you want him? Here's the problem. So within 500 feet, you're going to violate this. So I don't know. Are you guys like together? You guys are kind of on and off right now, or what's the deal with Angel?
On and off.
Okay. So what do you want to do with your car? Are you cool with him taking it? The only issue is you can't come back to the house to get the car.
Right.
So what do you want to do? If he doesn't take the car, it's going to get towed. So.
Yeah, if you could take the car back.
Okay, so but the problem is, like I said, you got to be 500 feet from that house or any of the protected people listed on this. So you can't come back to this house. So however you want to schedule picking up that car, it just can't be within 500 feet of the house. So if it's parked in the driveway and you show up tomorrow to get it.
Not like he can drive it back, is what I'm saying.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out. So you're okay with he takes the car?
Yeah.
Well, do me a favor, hop out of the vehicle for me. Face the car. All right, you are under arrest for domestic battery.
Wait, what?
Oh, yes, sir. We'll grab whatever property you need, okay? Hold on. I don't want it to tighten up on you. Oh, I don't know how intoxicated is she. Okay. Yeah, we'll accommodate some. Okay. Alright, this way, sir. I'm gonna catch you down when we get over to my squad. Do you have anything that's gonna stick or poke in? It's gonna be that car right in the center there.
I need more context. Like, did they say, or maybe did I miss it in the beginning? What did he say in the beginning? Because
Officers were called after a teen violated her order of protection after she knew she wasn't supposed to be at a certain house.
Okay, so you just violated.
See, so that's it. You know, she wasn't supposed to be at a certain house, but who'd he hit? Like, how did he get locked up? Like,
I just face the letters for me right there. Thank you. Where's your phone at?
It's in the center console, not in the center console, but like under the, it's on the license plate.
Okay. No weapons in the vehicle? No. Okay. Switch, please. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, do you want this to come with us?
Yes, please.
Okay. I'm going to put it on the front seat, okay?
see, like, look how his legs is put together. Like, man, come on, man. Man, kick his feet out, man.
All right. It's going right up here, okay? Yep. All right, go ahead. Just take a seat right there, okay? I know it's not. It's convenient.
See, and who's this guy? Because the girl, she's a teen. This guy look like he damn near. This guy look like he in his 30s or something. He look like he. Damn.
Convenient if you try and slant yourself on an angle.
How far we gotta drive?
To the sheriff's office in Wheaton.
How far is it? I gotta pee really bad.
You gotta pee really bad?
All right, I can hold it, but
I'll drive quick, okay? All right, I appreciate it.
She was charged with violating an order of protection, and her boyfriend was charged with domestic battery.
That's the boyfriend? He look way older. Because she's a teen, they said. So she's, I'm assuming, 18, 19, right? But that guy, he looked like damn near 28, 29. Like, I'm like, yeah, I think there needs to be more context to the story. Crime on body cam. Yeah, listen, y'all getting a couple of coins, man. Y'all supposed to have y'all stuff together. I ain't gonna lie. Let me see here. Let's see what y'all got going on, man. Oh nah, 600. Wait, what? They don't get views like that? 1,000, 2,000, 4,000, 4,000, 7. Damn, they don't get views like that. What? Last time they had a video with 10K views was a month ago? How many? Almost 100,000 subs? 2,000, 9,000, 3,000. Damn, they numbers looking like mine. I ain't gonna lie. What? 3,000, 3,000, 1,000. They've only had, no, that's 9,000. Where's the next 10,000 video? Okay. 16,000 5 months ago? They've only had 2 videos with over 10,000 views in the last 5 months? Nah. What? That's insane. Yeah, y'all gotta. Wow. Yeah, I see why y'all just gave up. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all just gave up, said fuck it.